boot camp homework. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's live stream, what we did is we were working on and learning about DBT. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So I'm currently enrolled in a dataexpert.io bootcamp, and I highly recommend you check it out. You can click the link down below in the description and follow along down there. Right now there is a free bootcamp that you can join, and what I'm working on is building out a data pipeline for one of the homework assignments that I've been working on. So I highly recommend, if you have any interest in data engineering, data analysis, or analytical engineering, because that's actually the boot camp that I'm in right now. And I thought I knew a lot of SQL, and I thought I knew a lot of functionality, and I am learning something new absolutely every single day. So I highly encourage you to check it out. Zach has an online free boot camp right now, and there are a few seats available in the January paid boot camp, and I do have an affiliate code that can get you up to 20% off of it. So if you have any interest, I highly recommend. It's a great community. It's a much larger community than we have here in the tens of thousands, where we only have 13,000 subscribers and a couple hundred on Discord. There are, I believe, 30,000 members on Discord on the free version. So there are a ton of people, and I'm always getting answers and help with this. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the next few weeks. So come and hang out during the live streams. I don't know how many questions I'll be able to answer, because I'm going through this right now. I built some pipelines, but they were very hacky and put together and flowed into GCP. These are like for real data pipelines, and it's absolutely amazing. Starting out in Stage, creating with DBT, which is an unbelievable platform, flowing into Snowflake. We're really just doing some really awesome engineering things. So I highly recommend you check it out and come and hang out with us. I'm learning something new every day. I'll try to answer some questions, but you can come and see what I'm working on and what I'm learning. But as always, thank you everyone for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.